Welcome to Elamy, a Jeanneau 51 yacht, the smallest of the yacht series, and special edition, only done between 2018 and 2023 for 5 years. There's many upgrades from the regular Jeanneau Sun Odyssey series. Teak in the cockpit. In the back is a folding pneumatic swim platform that comes down when the dinghy is not on the davits, which are retractable as well. The bimini has been removed. The canvas part of the bimini has been removed in order to sew a new one. So it's an excellent opportunity to show what the cockpit looks like inside. Huge living area. So inside the cockpit, there's enormous amount of living space with factory sewn cushions from Jeanneau, teak, swim platform, dual helms, standing in the cockpit, you can see exactly how wide and spacious the sitting area is. With custom lounger cushions. And in the mid-table is stored the life raft, as well as a drop-in refrigerator to keep your drinks frosty. Dual helms, and the pneumatic swim platform that folds down to reveal the generator and under the floorboards, and a wonderful 2-level swim platform, perfect for diving, snorkeling, any sort of water sports. Heading down into the interior. You get an idea of how spacious the main cabin is, with a captain's desk and a sitting area. And a spacious kitchen. All of the pulls and handles are made in leather. It's one of the many upgrades, including the door handles and kitchen pulls. It's one of the many upgrades of the Jeanneau Yacht series. In the kitchen, we have a oven, we have a stove, we have a refrigerator with a small freezer. We have a large freezer and ice maker, microwave, and lots of storage. This is the main cabin, owner's cabin. Very spacious, can walk all the way around the bed. Has lots and lots of storage, full closets, shoe storage, storage all around. And then we enter the ensuite bathroom with its own separate shower. Full shower, very spacious. Moving aft, we have First, a head with a full shower enclosure that folds to the side when not in use, but otherwise completely isolates the shower from the rest of the cabin. We have electric heads that use seawater or lake water or bay water rather than using your freshwater tanks. Moving to the port side aft cabin. It has a Jack and Jill entrance into the bathroom, into the head, and a queen size bed with lots of storage, a closet, lots of space. Coming now to the starboard aft cabin. We have another full cabin with a double bed and a nice linen closet or closet for whatever you need. One of my very favorite features of this boat is the utility closet, which contains a washer dryer, plenty of space for cleaning supplies, a drop-in refrigerator, quite large, and plenty of space for all of your tools. And if you are sailing open ocean, you can always throw all of your salty foul weather gear in here and get it all cleaned up and keep it isolated from the rest of the cabinet. One of my favorite features of this beautiful yacht is the hidden pneumatic lift wine cellar. Room for cigars and wine, whatever you'd like to squirrel away. At the main gangway, underneath the stairs, we have the engine compartment. Very easy to access on a pneumatic lift. And we have the beautiful Yanmar 110 horsepower in great condition.